there.
Hello.
Can you see me and hear me clearly enough?
Yes, I can see you and I can hear you very well. How are
So,
you?
doing great today. So, which part of India are you from? Are you from India?
Okay. Exactly right. I'm from India and I live in Bihar state.
Mm-hmm. Which part?
Yes. The part I'm from northeast actually.
Northeast. I'm going to get a
Yes.
map of India and start putting pins. This place,
Okay,
this place,
okay.
this place, this place, so I can learn the geography. So,
Okay. Have you ever talked with a person from Bihar?
maybe? Not probably. So
Okay, okay.
I had
Because
a
yesterday.
roommate. Oh, go ahead.
Okay, so you are seventh or eighth I'm talking to on this
Mm-hmm.
app because I'm quite new here, and among eight teachers, I mean, out of eight teachers, uh, if you are sure, then you are the third tutor for whom I'm for the first person from Bihar.
Very
Yes.
cool.
Yesterday I talked with the tutor and I asked. She also said that you are the first person from Bihar and the first one too, and today you. How are you
Is it a
doing?
small?
How is your health?
I'm great. I'm great. Is it a small city or a small area?
No, it's not a small city or area. Actually, are you talking about my state or my location?
Your location?
Okay, so I live in a village actually.
Yeah. So
Yes,
that's why.
and yes, and I'm also in the north of my state. My state is also in the northeast, but I'm in the north part of my state and very close to Nepal actually.
Nepal. Okay.
Yeah, Nepal is in the north.
So how close are you to Mount Everest?
How close? No, very far.
Still
From
very
Mount
far.
Everest, I'm so far. Yes, because Mount Everest is also in the north of India, but
Mm,
since I'm in the northeast, so if I move to the north side right from
mm,
here, I'll have to enter in the Nepal,
mm.
okay, and then I'll I'll climb on Mount Everest.
That makes sense.
Yes, that's why. But it is right in the north from here, because you know that it's a series of mountains.
Mhm,
So it's a spread is very large, and in a distance, it covers some major distance in north,
mm.
and it's kind of border, or you can say also boundary for India in the north.
Very cool.
Natural security.
Yeah, America has two oceans that help us out. So it's pretty good
Exactly.
security.
And where are you from, and where are you right now?
I'm in the US in the state of Alabama, and that's my hometown or my home state.
Is it called Alabama?
Alabama.
Alabama. Okay.
Mm.
I think
It's
I've
fun
heard
to
it
say.
before, but not sure.
Do you know
Yes.
Sweet Home Alabama? Do 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 do. Where
Very
the sky.
popular song.
Yeah, that's about my
Very
state.
pop. Okay, very popular. And what is your profession in general? Just
A
one
teacher.
or more than one?
I'm a teacher.
Okay. This is your only profession?
Well, for a while, I was a social media specialist, and
Mm.
I hope to get back into that game eventually. But for now, teaching,
Okay, so
only teaching.
what did you do exactly?
As a social media specialist, I
Yes.
created graphics and reels for Instagram and Facebook, and then I have a TikTok account that I use for news in my local area.
Mm-hmm.
So I make TikToks as well, but that's just for fun in my spare time.
Still use this app?
Mm, I do.
All right. Actually, this app is banned in my country. That's why I asked.
That's probably wise because I hear you guys have a lot of issues with China, so we we probably should ban it as well. But
Actually, actually, uh, I don't want to share a lot because it's a social issues.
oh, I
But
forgot you were recording me. Can you edit that part out? Just take
okay,
that part out.
we 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 haven't talked any serious issue about
Mhm.
any issue,
Okay.
so no need to take this part out. Yeah, and what's time?
Now it's 11 p.m.
11 p.m. Okay,
Mm.
and
Oh no. Uh-oh. That was bad. So sorry. There was an issue. Your camera went out. So
my
now
camera, no,
something happened. I
no,
don't know.
no. I just saw the on the screen that the tutor left the room. I thought, what happened? Suddenly you disappeared.
I saw he's trying to reconnect. So I thought maybe
Okay.
mm, anyway, so now it's 11 p.m. in the US. Well, in Alabama in the US.
What did you hear the last word from me?
What time is it now?
Okay, so it was a question. So I joined this session at 10:30 a.m. by my time.
Mm. So
Yes.
we have four time zones in the US.
Okay, but we have just one.
I know. I don't know if that's a better solution or not. What do you think?
I think it's good, but sometimes, in some cases, it seems to be a problem. But in
Mm,
general, I think it's good
mm,
because when you just follow one time in your country, you don't need to pay attention. What time is it from a particular location?
right.
And just think of that country which has 17 time zones. Do you know?
Russia? I'm
No.
going to guess Russia. What country has 17 time zones?
I think 17 or about 17, France.
That is insane.
Very, very small country, but it has 17 time zones. Maybe I'm wrong, but I think I'm close to that.
Can I
Okay.
make fun of the French? It's a pastime. We have to make fun of the French.
And
Just kidding.
still, I don't know how the people there in France, I mean French people, how do they manage with it? How do they deal with it? And if you come to Russia, there are nine, nine time
19.
zones there.
Well, that makes
Nine.
sense for Russia. It doesn't make sense for France, but it
Yes.
makes sense for Russia.
Yeah, it works because the area, Russian region is very wide, I would say,
Mm.
very large, right?
They have lots
In
of
the east,
land, but there's
in the
12 in
east,
France.